Ipagpalit na po natin ang lahat. Huwag lang ang ating mama, ang ating mga magulang. Happy Mother's Day to all. Happy Sunday! Safe in the flow of your love, sent from the heavens above. No one can ever replace the warmth of your tender embrace. Oh, Mama, until the days that we're together once more, I live in this memory. Until the days that we're together once more. Oh, Mama, once more. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Nay.